Hey, it's Selena, and today I'm showing you guys how I make a simple lobster tail dinner. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. First, snip the ridges that go across the bottom of the tail. Then cut the top of the shell until you reach the end of the tail, but don't cut through the entire tail. Loosen the lobster from the shell. Slide your finger underneath the lobster skin, then carefully pull the meat upwards without detaching it from the end of the tail. When most of the meat is out of the shell, place the meat on top of the shell. Then flip down the red sides of the lobster for presentation. And this is how you prepare a tail. Repeat the same process for all of the lobster tails you plan on using. The lobster tails that I'm using today are about 3 or 4 ounces, and I got them on sale at Safeway for $4.99 each. Arrange the tails on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil. Sprinkle salt on both the bottoms and the tops of the lobster tail. Then brush the lobsters with garlic-infused olive oil or melted butter. I would also add paprika to this mixture, but I ran out, so I didn't put any. Here I am slicing vegetables for roasting. For decoration, I also like to include thinly sliced radishes topped with salt and lemon. Drizzle olive oil over your vegetables, then turn to coat. Season them with salt and pepper. I like to roast my vegetables in an oven at around 350 or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 or 20 minutes, or until the carrots are tender and broccolis are crispy. A trick I like to use to prevent my lobsters from curling up too much in the oven is to actually pierce a skewer through the lobster. But make sure the wooden skewers are soaked in water for at least an hour so that they don't burn and turn black in the oven. Broil the lobster on high for around 7 or 8 minutes, or until all the meat is cooked and no longer opaque. Don't overcook the lobster, otherwise the meat will become tough and it'll be a waste of your hard-earned money to buy this expensive seafood. Last but not least, my favorite part is putting everything on a plate, making it look really pretty, and then taking photos of it. Hopefully this video entertained you, and I hope you decide to try making lobster sometime.